welcome to my channel. Right, I've got my sriracha ready, sriracha. Right, today I'm having pancakes that I've made myself, and in the middle I've got some kimchi. So just something quick and simple today. I didn't feel like making much. I've had another alright day today. The people from the hospital called today, the advisory people, adversary people I think they're called, wanting to make an appointment about Mum's case, and they've read my email about what's happened to her when she went into the hospital. How it contributed sorry, to her death. Jeez, I'm having a beer and black. So she's ringing me on Friday just to discuss it further. I mean, I found it hard enough speaking to her today about it. I spent most of the day crying. I've had a bit of people always say, why'd you come on here? Keeps my mind active. If I didn't go on here, then I wouldn't have anything else to do. Anyway, these are quite these are quite nice. I mean, my pancakes are wonderful. I make great pancakes. Kimchi. It's still fairly fresh, but it's not as nice as it was yesterday. But those pancakes are delicious. Just your basic batter, eggs, milk and flour. I keep looking because Wilma's chewing something. I think it's a bit of cucumber I dropped. I usually like my pancakes with a bit of Marmite and butter. I like quite like a savoury pancake. Sometimes I have them sweet, all depending on how I'm feeling. But mostly it's Marmite and butter. So I watched a film last night. It was called The Wolf Hour, and it's got Naomi Watts in it. She's got dark hair. It's very, to me it was a very boring movie. Nothing happened. Usually if you have a character that's in one room, that character has to have, or the actress or actor has to have a certain ability to be able to captivate you through the how many hours it is that we're watching. It's kind of like watching, I don't know, say, let me think, I massively like Dame Judi Dench. I could watch for hours. I think she's a fantastic actress, and she would captivate you completely when anything that she does. Paris Hilton, no. So you know, it has to be that kind of actress to be able to do it. Unfortunately, Naomi Watts didn't do that. I'm not saying she's a bad actress. I liked her in The Ring. But in this particular movie, sorry, I had a bit of cucumber stuff. In this movie, she is a writer that, as far as I can tell, has fallen out with her family because the book that she wrote exposed family secrets that got her dad into trouble. Her dad dies, and then she ostracises herself from her entire family, and she ends up in a little hovel somewhere in the Bronx in 1977 in this flat that her nana used to have, and her nana passes away, so she obviously stays on with the flat, and it consists of her smoking a lot. A buzzer goes off all the time that's driving her crazy. You never find out who that buzzer is. I think it might be a metaphor for something. If someone's watched it and they can tell me what that means, that would be great. She looks out the window and there's all kind of stuff going on, and then she calls for a male escort. She has sex with him, and that really goes nowhere. She has a guy that comes, delivers her shopping for her, and when she tries to find him again, the woman ever denies that he worked for her, for this shop owner. Then she tries to get hold of her sister, and she can't get hold of her sister, and then she can't get hold of her publicist. Then she sees this grocery clerk that was meant to deliver this thing for her getting beat up on the street. Oh, I forgot to say, she's got agoraphobia, so she can't go outside, which is the reason why she's always in this one room. Anyway, she sees the grocery clerk getting beaten up, so she goes out to try and save him. So when she goes out, finally, she gets over this fear of being outside. She looks down and it's not him, it's somebody else. And then she gets up and walks down this road into the sunset, and then it ends, and then it comes on with her having an interview with this man saying, "Oh, this book is amazing. Is it based on you?" And she kind of smiles, and it ends. So I just watched like nearly an hour, nearly 2 hours worth of her looking sweaty, greasy haired, chain smoking, I don't know, character, not really doing anything. You never find out what the buzzer is. You never found out what happened to the grocery clerk. Did he die? Did he not? What happened to her sister? What happened to her publicist? It's all very strange. It's called The Wolf Hour. Came out in January. I'm now watching this. The title card says it's unknown host, but it's actually called 8. I have not only watched about 25 minutes of it so far. It's set in South Africa. It looks alright. It's a horror, because I like my horrors. So I should tell it to you tomorrow. This is actually really, really nice. No, I can never. I'm not amazing at my chopsticks. I hope I'll be able to be dyeing my hair next week at some point. I'm going to go all purple, I think. I've been saying that, but I've not been able to go to the place that sells it. I want to say hi to Sarah and thank you for your concern. It's been a tough week. say these videos help to a certain extent. Sometimes, like today, it's been hard. I just miss having my family here. You know what, I'm just going to take that kimchi out and eat it and then put it on top of there. And I'm not having much luck. Let's put it on top of there. I'm putting it on top of my not allowed to stab. See? Do you want any of the other guys to watch me watch Foodie Beauty? She eats food as well in front of the camera. But she's got like 36,000 people watching her. I hope to hit that mark one day. This video might be very slicey because I'm into the 12-13 minute mark, and I think I can only film for a certain amount of time. I think I'll make this again. This is really good. The trouble is the kimchi is quite salty. It's weird because I can't remember the first time I tried kimchi. I know it was definitely my sister that suggested it to me, but I can't remember when it was I had it. I think if it's one of those like Marmite, you either love it or you don't. Because it's fermented, isn't it? Which usually means it's gone off. Fermented, you know. It's in a package that's just the right amount, you know, for 2 days. Because I think if you have too much in one day, it could give you a bad tummy. I have tried to make kimchi stew in the past, but it didn't turn out very well. I feel my nose running. That's because I eat spicy food all the time. My nose always runs, I guess. I have so many different things I want to do to make a good video, but I just want to lay in bed all day. No. It's horrible. Well, thank you very much for stopping by. Thank you again for watching this far. If you have, give me a comment. Mama says hello. See that? Look. She's always hovering. Right, okay. Thanks for stopping, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.